Father who art in heaven is a collaboration with the host, Favi. Favi is a Christian that loves the Lord, and she shows it by her kind deeds and helpfulness. She loves dupes, vintage gardening, patriotic DIYs, and shabby chic. Please subscribe, like, save, and comment on her channel. In addition, subscribe and follow all of the other wonderful collaborators. I purchased a wooden plaque from Dollar Tree, and it was shaped like a house, but I also think that it is a dry erase board. And the Bible verse that I think about is in Joshua 24:15, and it states, "But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." This is a unique Father's Day gift idea to help celebrate what dads or fathers means to you. The supplies needed include one wooden house frame, black or white paper, one pen that writes white ink, jute ribbon, blue ribbon, and glue. This is a very simple DIY. You can do it in two ways. You can print the saying that I will tell you in a little bit on your computer, print it out, and cut it in the form of a house and place it inside the wooden plaque. Or you can take your white pen and write out what you would like to say to your father. You can also put a bow on the bottom. I did this with some jute and some blue ribbon. I just put the two together and tried to make it look as manly that a father would want it. It's very simple, but what it says would be from my heart. And it says, "Dad, from your wisdom I take knowledge. From your courage I take strength. And from your kindness I take compassion. And from your construction skills I take your creativity." Happy Father's Day, Cindy. And when I think about this saying, if you look at Jesus, he was a carpenter, and he was kind, he was compassionate, he was courageous, and we have to make sure that we try to emulate him on this earth. The second DIY is a Father's Day card showing the love that our Heavenly Father has for each one of us. The saying, "Love without measure," shows the width, the depth, the height that God will go to save us. However, he doesn't need a tape measure because he knew us even before we were found. Wow, that's love. And the Bible verse says that Christ may dwell in your hearts by faith, that ye, being rooted and grounded in love, may be able to comprehend with all saints what is the breadth and length and depth and height, and to know the love of Christ, which passes knowledge, that ye might be filled with all of the fullness of God. The supplies needed include a 2A card, Father's Day stamp, picture of a tape measure, a die cut of your choice, cardstock design paper, a big shot, crafter's tape, a cutting board, and I think that's about it. So what you want to do is start out by folding your A2 card with your hands. Next, you need to decide what type of printed paper to adhere to the card and use crafter's tape. Then you want to evenly glue your die cut, which you cut out on your big shot, and it is kind of a rectangle border. You put your tape measure in the center and the sentiment below the tape measure. You make sure that you center all of this, and below the tape measure you will write love beyond measure. And there you have a wonderful card. If you open the card up, then there's a stamp that says Happy Father's Day. Well, that's all, folks. Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers. And please subscribe, like, comment, and save. I would love you to join the Z9 Designs family. And remember, provoke not your children to anger, but correct them in kindness. Bye. See you later.